Share files from File Explorer, Photos, and Microsoft Edge over a Bluetooth connection to nearby Windows 10 computers. Select the Action Center icon, and then select the Nearby Sharing button to enable the feature. The receiving computer also needs Nearby Sharing turned on. Share a file with another computer using File Explorer or Photos. Open File Explorer and then select the file you want to share, or open a picture in Photos. Select Share, or if in File Explorer, select the Share tab and then select Share. On the Share window, choose the computer with which you want to share the file or photo. On the receiving computer, select Save and Open, or Save to accept and transfer the file. Share a website with another computer using Microsoft Edge. From Edge, open the website you want to share, and then select the Share button. On the Share window, select the computer with which you want to share the link. On the receiving computer, select Open to view the website in Microsoft Edge.